When I attended, sabi naman ng officers doon at saka ng barangay, no, walang ganon. So, because what I did was I talked to the LGU. The LGU said naman na, may decision na. I don't know, siguro the LGU was lying to me. Wala pa naman, Sen, wala pa naman kaming approval. But then itong mga homeowners, they're saying na may mga information sila na aprobado na, etc. So, I was invited in a meeting. Kaya nga, I attended the meeting. May mga, syempre, may mga, ika nga, may mga emotions went high, di ba? Nag-flare up yung karamihan. Karamihan ng mga senior citizens. Alam mo naman, Sir George, magalangin po tayo sa mga matatanda. Hindi ho tayo pumapato, lalo po sa mga babae.
Alright,
may
sige
point
po.
din ho sila. So at the end of the day, we shook hands and I apologize. Sabi ko, pasensya na kung nasaktan kayo, pero we're all in this together. Sabi din nila, yes, we're in this together.